G'day and welcome to another episode of Kiwi Car Life. And after a number of comments on my channel saying I need to ditch my stopwatch and get some proper GPS performance timing gear, that's exactly what I've done. This is a Racelogic Vbox. It's a very accurate GPS performance data tracker, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you all the features of this box. But for now, because I know you guys really want to see it, we're going to get straight into the 0 to 100 time for this car. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 0 to 100 time coming right up. We are ready. There it is, 8.7, which if I'm honest, is not really that fast. So we're going to try another run in the other direction. Let's try and nail that launch. Oh, dang it. That felt pretty quick. I reckon we can do better though. This time we're going to do it. Alrighty, we are ready. No, 8 seconds exactly again. Boys, I think that's all she wrote, man. 8 seconds, that's pretty much it. We'll have a quick look at the graph again. There you go, have a look at them. Now I know that some of you guys are probably going to ask, so I'm just going to clear the air right here, right now. I know some of you guys are probably thinking, oh, but in previous videos you timed it with your stopwatch at like 7.6 seconds. Well, if I'm honest, most of those runs I did on a local motorway on-ramp, which is slightly downhill, I have to admit. That one I did on a dead flat bit of road, so you can be confident that 8 seconds is dead accurate. Okay, so this time we're going to do a 0 to 100 to 0. "12 seconds. Gee, we pulled 1.1 Gs on that deceleration. Oh, 100 to 0, 3.1 seconds. Okay, there you go. Okay, best times. 0 to 60 kilometers an hour, 3.9 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, 8 seconds. 0 to 100 to 0 was 12 seconds. 60 to 0 I think was 1.8 seconds. And 100 to 0, the best was 3.1 seconds. So there you go. There's all the performance figures of the CL9. Just so you're aware, the only mods on this thing, it has a tune, which you can check out by clicking up here. It also has a fake intake thing just by removing the intake resonator tube that you can also check out by clicking up here. And it also has lowering springs, RE003 tyres and Sparco DS1 wheels, which you can also check out by clicking up here. Now, let's go over some of the features of the Vbox. Okay, my resident button pusher, Ruben, and my resident backseat passenger, Connor, with us now as we show you through some of the other features of the Vbox. Okay, on the main performance stats page, we obviously have the normal, 0 to 60, 0 to 100 page. You've got the tables that show you all the different 0 to 10, 0 to 20, up to 100, and then the next page has you up to 200. This one here is your 0 to 100 to 0 page, and then you've got your deceleration page. You've just got a distance one there. Then you've got your acceleration G-forces. So I can show that if I accelerate here. Then you'll see it tells you your acceleration. Then if you go to the next one, so you got your deceleration. So if I brake, you'll see that it registers your deceleration. And then the next one is your lateral G. So if I turn into a corner here, as everyone holds on, you'll see that it registers your G-forces there as you go through the corners. And that's that. So that's all of the different things that it can show in the performance page. Now if you push the mode button, then you can go to lap timing mode. If you push the down button, then it will set a start line effectively. So if we do our little racetrack here, turn out here, speed and power. Here we go, last corner. Coming around to the line, and then when we cross the line you will see there it is that it tells you your time. So the next mode here that we've got is the speed display mode. So obviously when you start moving the compass will work and it'll tell you very accurately what your speed is. And then there are 3 different things you can do here. You've got your odometer, and then you also have your altimeter, which is quite cool. And then the next mode is power mode. So this one here is actually quite cool. So I've put in the weight of this car, and then it uses that along with the amount of G's that you pull on your acceleration to estimate how much power your car has. Okay, here we go. So I'm accelerating, and if you push the OK button and then floor it, There we go, that's more like it. 123 kilowatts to the wheels, possibly a little low. This thing makes 140 stock and it has put a tune put on it. I mean, it is going to lose a little bit of power to the wheels. And then the next mode is drift mode. Okay, so there's two things it can show here. The first one is just that main screen, and then it also has some other things, your peak angle, speed, sector, and it also gives you a drift score. And that's pretty much it. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Kiwi Car Life. 8 seconds, that is the best that I was able to do with this car. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you again next time.